Hey there, in this video I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available. Alright, so before starting the video I have some things to clear up. Facebook Marketplace, sometimes Facebook Marketplace servers get down. Alright, when the server gets down, you won't find Marketplace. When you tap here, it will show it's not available or it's not available. So sometimes this is why you won't find Facebook Marketplace. So the best way to resolve this problem will be waiting for 1 to 2 hours, maybe sometimes 1 to 2 days. So you just have to wait, you can't do anything. So if the servers are okay, if the servers are totally working fine, the next thing you have to do is simply tap these three lines here. Once you do that, go to settings and privacy. After that, go to settings, and then you will find this option. Tap here, and from personal details you have to check your age. Okay, so you have to check your age. If you are under 18, then this might be a reason why Facebook Marketplace isn't available. All right, so you have to be above 18. So once you check this, you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, you will find an update. If you have an update option, just tap the update and make sure your Facebook is up to date. All right, so after this process, if your Facebook Marketplace is still unavailable or is not available, then again you have to go to Facebook, open this Marketplace, and while opening you just have to shake your phone. I'm gonna shake my phone. So then when you shake your phone like this report tab opens up like this. Just tap report problem, include, and you have to you have to write something to write what's the problem. You have to write that your marketplace isn't available, please help me to solve this problem. So once you do that, press the send button. So after doing these steps, there is chances that your account, your Facebook Marketplace gets available. However, if this tricks doesn't work, the only thing you can do is just wait. All right, just wait for some times. It might be Facebook problem, or you never know. So just wait for some time, and maybe 1 or 2 days. If it's not available, then you have to do some more steps. Okay, just contact them or maybe use a different account. So this is what you do in order to make this problem solve. Okay, so hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a good